So here you are on the front of the truck again. The exhaust has been ported. There's some catalyst in there. I went on and took it off of a brand new saw and cleaned out the exhaust. And of course, it's got dual ports that exhaust it, but it's got a nice pop to it now, and still runs great. I'll show you. Honestly, sounds a little better, sounds a little hotter, and I didn't adjust the carburetor or anything. I just took all that crap out of the exhaust. It was like a catalytic converter. Um, and hell, it's even revving higher now, just getting rid of the restrictions. So all in all, still a good saw. Thank y'all for watching.